Hi students, today I am discuss about prime numbers and composite numbers. Before going to this topic, how to must learn about factors. Okay, na? So what is the factors? What is the factor? The definition of factor is the given number is exactly divisible by a number, then the number is called a factor of the given number. Okay, the given number is exactly divisible by a number, that number is called a factor of given number. Okay, for example, 6 is divisible by 6 is divisible by 2. That's why 2 is a factor of 6. 2 is a factor of 6. What about 6? 6 is multiple of 2. 6 is multiple of 2. 2 is factor of 6. Okay, according to 2, 2 is factor of 6. According to 6, 6 is a multiple of 2. Okay, so here again have to write some numbers and factors. Number, factors. Okay, so what is the factor of 1? Which number is divisible by 1? Only 1. 1 is divisible by 1. Okay. Next 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are factors of 2. Like this, how to write 3, 3, 1, 3. Only 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So that's why the factors of 3 is 1 and 3. Okay. Next 4. 4. 1. 4 is divisible by 1, comma 2 and 4 also. Okay. So 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. That's why 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. Okay. Next 5. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 only. So 1 and 5 is the factors of 5. And 6. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. So 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. That's why 1, 2, 3 and 6 are factors of 6. Okay. Next 7, 1 and 7 only. Next 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. 9, 1, 3 and 9. Okay. Next 10. 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Next 11, up to right 20. Okay. 11, 1 and 11. 1 and 11. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 6 and 12. Next 13, 1 and 13 only. 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay. Next 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, next 17, 1 and 17 only. Next 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, 19, 1 and 19 only. 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay, now I am write up to 20 number of factors. Okay, these are factors. So observe this table. Some numbers have one factor, some numbers have two factors, some numbers having more than two factors. Okay, first of all observe this table. 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is factor of 1, 1 is factor of 2, 1 is factor of 3 and so on. 1 is factor of every number. 1 is factor of every number and that is the least factor. That is the smallest factor. Okay, 1 is first point is 1 is factor of every number, that is the smallest factor. Okay, next every number is factor of itself. Every number is factor of itself. 2 is factor of 2, 3 is a factor of 3, 4 is a factor of 4, 5 is a factor of 5. Okay, that's why every number is factor of itself. That is the greatest factor of all factors. That is the greatest factor. 2 is the greatest factor of 2, 3 is the greatest factor of 3 among these factors. Okay, so every factor is less than or equal to that number. Every factor is less than or equal to. For example, the factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. These are less than or equal to 4. Okay, all factors are less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal. Okay. Next, number of factors are given is countable. Is countable. Okay. So, how to find a fixed number of factors? For example, 1 is only one factor, 2 is two factors, 3 has two factors, 4 has three factors, 5 has two factors. That's why every number having fixed number of factors are there. Okay, these 4 points are most important. Again repeated. Okay, once again repeated. These 4 points are most important regarding factors. Okay, first point is 1 is factor of every number. 1 is factor of every number. That is the smallest factor. Every number is factor of itself. Every number is factor of itself. That is the greatest factor. All of these. Okay. Next, every number has fixed number of factors. Every number is fixed number of factors. Okay. Third point is every number has more than greatest. Every number has less than or equal to given number. Every number has number of factors is less than or equal to given number. For example, 4 has less than or equal to factors 1, 2, 4 only. These factors are less than or equal to 4. Okay. Once again observe this table. Some numbers having only two factors, some numbers having more than two factors. Okay, now I give the definition of prime numbers and composite number. What is the definition of prime number? The numbers having only two factors. The numbers having only two factors, that numbers are called prime numbers. For example, 2. 2 has two factors and 3 also and 5 7 and 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Okay, these numbers having only two factors. So, these numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, the definition of prime number is the numbers having only two factors are called prime numbers. The two factors are 1 and itself only. 1 and itself. The numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 1 is the factor of every number and itself. Okay, that two factors are there. So, the numbers having two factors are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Okay. Next, what is the composite number? The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. More than two factors, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20 and so on. These numbers all having more than two factors, that's why these are called composite numbers. Okay, composite numbers. What about 1? What about 1? 1 has only one factor. That's why 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So, 2, 3, 5, 7 these are prime numbers and 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on are composite numbers. Okay. Is it clear? These are prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Next time I explain twin primes and co-primes. Co-primes and twin primes. What is the co-primes? The numbers having only one as the common factor are called co-primes. The another name of co-primes is relatively primes. Okay, co-primes. The numbers having only one as the common factor are called co-primes. The co-primes are need not be a prime numbers. Okay, one is prime, one is composite, both two are composite, both two are prime numbers. Okay, so the condition is one is the common factor. Observe this table. One is the common factor. For example, 4 and 9. 4 and 9. What is the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. 9, 1, 3, 9. Here, observe these two numbers. The common factor is 1. The common factor of these two is only 1. That's why 4 and 9 are co-primes. Okay, 4 and 9 are co-primes. So, 4 is composite number, 9 is also composite number. For example, 5 and 7. What is the common factors of 5? 1 comma 5, 7, 1 comma 7. Okay, here also 1 is the common factor. That's why 5 and 7 is also co-prime numbers. Okay, in the same way 4 and 11. 4 and 11. 4 is a composite number, 11 is a prime number. So, the factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4, 11 is 1 and 11. Here also 1 is the common factor of these two, 4 and 11. That's why 4 and 11 is also co-prime numbers. Okay. Now I am explain these two are composite numbers, these two are prime numbers. One is composite number, one is prime number. Okay. So, co-primes is nothing but not a prime numbers. Okay. So, one is both two are composite numbers, both two are prime numbers, one is composite, one is prime number. These are co-primes. Once again I repeat it, the definition of co-primes is the numbers having only one is the common factor, that is called co-primes. The another name of co-primes is relatively primes. Okay, relatively primes. Okay, next twin primes. Two prime numbers said to be twin primes. If the difference of two prime numbers is 2, the difference of any two prime numbers is 2, then they are called twin primes. Observe this table. The difference of any two prime numbers is 2. For example, 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is a twin primes. 3 and 5 are twin primes. Why? Because the difference of these two is 2. Okay. In the same way, 5 and 7. 5 and 7. The difference of these two is 2. Next, 11 and 13. 11 and 13. 17 and 19. Okay. These pairs are twin primes. Why? Because these pairs of twin primes are difference is 2. That's why these pairs are twin primes. For example, 5 and 7, 3 and 5, and 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, and so on. Okay, these pairs are twin primes. Okay, next I am going to explain how to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, this is Eratosthenes. Who found the method of finding prime numbers is Eratosthenes. Okay, he is Greek mathematician. Okay, this is Eratosthenes. First of all, I have to write 1 to 100 numbers. Now I have to find how to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. We know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So this is cross. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next number is 2. Okay, so how to circle 2 and circle 2, then how to crossing the multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 2. Cross the multiples of 2. 4 is the multiple of 2, and 6 and 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Okay. Next have to go number 3. 3 is also prime number. So circle 3. Then have to cross the multiples of 3. The multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. These are multiples of 3. Next go to 5. Encircle the 5 and cross the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. Next go to 7. 7 is a prime number. Next you have to cross the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28. Next 35, 42, 49. Okay. Next 63, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. Okay, these are multiples of 7. Okay, what are the remaining are prime numbers? 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. Okay, 83, 89, 97. These are prime numbers between 1 to 100. The total prime numbers between 1 to 100 is 25. 25. The total composite numbers between 1 to 100 is 74 only. 74. Here 1 is neither prime nor composites. That's why 25 prime numbers, 74 composite number. Okay, keep it in mind. The prime numbers between 1 to 10, 4. 11 to 20, 4. 21 to 30, 2. 31 to 40, again 2. 41 to 50, 3. 51 to 60, 2. 61 to 70, 2. 71 to 80, 3. 81 to 90, 2. 91 to 100, 1. These prime numbers keep it in mind as a mobile number: 44, 22, 322, 321. Okay, total number of prime numbers is 25. Again, 44, 22, 322, 321. Okay, these 25 prime numbers keep it in mind as a like a phone number: 44, 22, 322, 321. The total prime numbers between 1 to 100 is 25. The composite numbers 1 to 100 is 74. Here 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, is it clear? This is Eratosthenes sieve. Once again observe the Eratosthenes sieve. I will ask 4 questions. What is the smallest prime number? What is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. Okay. What is the smallest odd prime number? Odd prime number. 2 is the even prime number. 2 is the even number. That's why the smallest prime number is also 2. The smallest even prime number is also 2. What is the smallest odd prime number? 3. The smallest odd prime number is 3. Okay. I am going to composite number. What is the smallest composite number? 4. Smallest composite number is 4. Smallest composite number is 4. Not a 1. 1 is a neither prime nor composite. That's why 4 is the smallest composite number. Okay. So 4 is even number. That's why the smallest even composite number is 4. What about the smallest odd composite number? Odd composite number. Odd composite number is 9. Okay. Odd composite number. These are composite number 4, 6, 8, 9. 4, 6, 8 are even composite numbers. In that, the smallest even composite number is 4. Okay. Odd composite number 9. The smallest odd composite number is 9. Okay. These 4 questions are most important. Okay. Thank you.